Good evening guys. I hope you are happy and healthy. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you some very interesting information through which you can improve your English speaking. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you 3 English application through which you can practice your English speaking. And guys, really these 3 application are very interesting because they help us to connect with each other and improve English speaking. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, the first application is HelloTalk. Yes guys, the first application is HelloTalk, and you will have to just install this application from the Play Store. And after having installed this application, you can start conversation with people. In this application, you will be connected with people who wants to improve their English speaking, and you may be one of them. You have to just make the buddy, and you have to just send the message to them, and they will start conversation with you. So the second application is Buddy application. Yes guys, this is highly rated application, and really this is really very wonderful application because in this application you are connected with the world. There are some people who live overseas, who are living out of the country, so you will get the opportunity to talk with them as well. And guys, the most interesting thing is that all these apps are free of cost, so you will have to pay nothing. So guys, now I am going to talk about the third application. The name of that is Talk Now. Yes guys, the third application is Talk Now. This application is also for practicing of English speaking. You will have to just install from the Play Store, and afterwards you can just start communicating with people. So guys, I have talked about 3 applications, and I suggest you that you must download all 3 applications because they will help you to improve your English speaking. And guys, believe it or not, I also use these applications to improve my English speaking. And guys, when you will be connected with so many people, you will get a lot of knowledge, and you can just start communicating with them. So these applications are really very mandatory, very important to improve the level of speaking. And if you want to make them friend, you can do chat with them, and you can give your personal WhatsApp number, and you can just talk there as well. It is totally up to you. So guys, please do not wait. You should immediately download 3 applications from the Play Store and start having good communication with people. So guys, lastly I would like to say that if you are really passionate, if you are really interested to improve your English speaking, you should be very careful about that. English is not just a language. English is a skill, and if you are having this skill, you will be able to talk with people. What is the meaning of language? Language means you are able to convey the message, and English helps us to convey the message with people. So you need to just learn this skill, because it will definitely help you to build up your career as well. So guys, lastly I would like to say that please subscribe to my channel, do comment, do share, and keep learning, keep studying, and goodbye.